So what are the main business benefits offered by the Managing Successful Programs or MSP syllabus? The MSP framework is part of a portfolio of global best practice publications aimed at helping individuals and organizations manage projects, programs, and portfolios consistently and effectively. MSP can be used in conjunction with all other best practice productions and international or internal organizational standards. All the best practice guidance provided in this framework is intended to be tailored for each program. This framework's guidance is supported by a qualification that is internationally recognized. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free project management resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good eLearning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular project management resources, such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.